Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to do another saltfish buljol recipe for you today. So let's get straight into it. I have about 8 ounces of saltfish that I already desalted, remove most of the salt and chop it up into small pieces in my bowl here, about 8 ounces of that. So to this I'm going to add 1 onion that I finely diced up here, 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, and I have 1 tomato that I finely diced up, and I have 1 stick of chive finely chopped. Add a little bit of black pepper, I'm also going to add some pepper sauce. This is optional, because if you don't like pepper, you could leave out that. Homemade pepper sauce. And we're just going to mix everything together. So guys, I just want to remind you about my giveaway that's going on right now, my birthday giveaway. Check out the video that's sweet potato fries. The information is on that particular video. You have to go to the video, leave a comment to be able to qualify. Plus you have to be a subscriber to the channel, right? And I'm doing the draw on on Sunday, 25th of February. That's on my actual birthday. So you have a few days to go. So I'm just mixing everything together. What I'm going to do next, I have some oil that I'm going to hot up and just pour it over this mixture. So I'll be back with the hot oil. Okay, as you see, I just added the hot oil. I'm just going to mix this in. Now remember, this is saltfish, so we don't need to add any salt, right? And I forgot to mention too that I did a video about how to desalt the saltfish, so I'll leave a card in the top right hand part of the screen so you can check it out. And I'll also leave a card too as well for my birthday giveaway. This is basically it, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to slice up some avocado to serve this with. Yeah, and I'm good to go. It's all done. This you can serve it like for breakfast, like with sada roti, homemade bread, pot bake, things like that, or fry bake, you know. And you can have it for breakfast. That's what I'm going to do for lunch. Sorry, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to just boil some yam and serve this with some boiled yam, and that's it. Have it for lunch. This is a very versatile dish that we could make. So I'll be back with final presentation. Okay folks, and here's my saltfish buljol served with a few slices of avocado. Man, this is a meal that you really have to try. It's really good. Yeah, and like I said before, you can have it like for breakfast, or basically you can have it like for lunch. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.